Let's walk through how Better Commit policy helps ensure your code changes meet all the necessary standards and how to fix compliance violations. So you've been working on your local repository and made a few commits. After pushing them to your fork, you've opened a pull request to merge your changes into the main repository. Let's head over to that pull request now. We see some checks have failed. The first issue is that the pull request title is too short and doesn't include a valid Jira work item key. Including the Jira work item key in the pull request title is beneficial because it creates a direct link between the pull request and the corresponding Jira work item, making it easier to trace the origin of the changes. This practice enhances traceability and allows Jira to display associated pull requests within the work item, improving searchability and project tracking. To fix this, let's edit the pull request title to include the appropriate Jira work item key and ensure it meets the required length. After updating the title, we rerun the checks. Now, let's address the second problem. One of the Jira work items mentioned in a commit message doesn't meet the required criteria. Specifically, the policy requires that the work item be assigned to the pull request creator and have a status of in progress. This ensures that only actively worked on and properly assigned tasks are linked to the code changes, maintaining consistency and accountability. Let's open the problematic work item and transition it to in progress to align with the policy requirements. After making this change, we return to the pull request and rerun the checks. The check is still failing. Oh, right. We forgot to assign the work item to ourselves. Let's go back, assign the work item appropriately, and then rerun the checks one last time. And there we have it. All checks are green. Our pull request is now compliant and ready to be merged. This process shows how Better Commit policy assists in catching and correcting issues early, ensuring our codebase remains clean and standards compliant. Watch our next video to learn more, or try Better Commit policy today for free.